tell you a little bit about Ethnico and also would like to update you how we're going to proceed further to make your shopping easier. So as you know, Ethnico is all about customized designer outfits. We also deal with sarees, we also deal with casual wear, we also deal with the heavy bridal wear. So it's from casuals to heavy bridal wear, I could say. We are into women, men and kids clothing as well. So anything right from casuals to heavy bridal wear, women, kids, any parties, we completely customize it according to your choice, requirement and budget. This is all about Ethnico. So right now what we are planning to do is, to make your shopping easier, we are planning to come up with some short videos for you. So in the videos, we are going to show you each and every detail, like about the fabric. We are going to explain you about the embroidery and every detail about the outfit. And along with the price, so you can see you can see the color choices available in that, and also for custom order also just drop us a query on WhatsApp, or you can directly call us on 8978-359546. So I repeat, it's 8978-359546. You can, any queries about your custom designer outfits or anything, any kind of, if you want to purchase or anything, you can just drop me a WhatsApp message or you can directly call on this number. Okay. Now for today I'm going to show you the first video of ours will be casual wear. The one, like, you know, which I'm wearing right now, it's a casual kurta along with a pure linen dupatta. So this is the collection which we're showing. We have 4 colors in this, and I'll be telling you right now. And let me show you the first one, the product number 1. So this is video number 1 and it's a product number 1. The purple and sea green combination. A purple and sea green combination. This kurta, you have, if you see, it has having a nice pattern on the neck. It's a keyhole with the embroidered with thread embroidery all over the neckline, and also the sleeves, 3/4 sleeves. It has got nice tiny booties, the thread booties, which has been embossed or embellished with kardana and bead work, and through the border also. This is a slug cotton, I can say it's a cotton material. The fabric is cotton. It has got lining inside, the cotton lining. The cotton lining is being washed, so you don't need to worry about any shrinking of the fabric. And it has got enough margin that fits up to 40-42 size. So this is a purple and sea green combination. The dupatta, if you see, it's a nice combination, floral linen dupatta, a pure floral linen dupatta. It's a very good pretty combination, I could say. Okay, the price of this particular outfit, it's a product number 1, video 1, product number 1, and it's 3,800. So all this collection is priced at 3,800. We have one more color. Let me show you one more color on this particular outfit. It's olive green and yellow combination. You see, it's olive green and yellow, dark olive green color with a nice embroidery on the neckline. It's a pan shaped neckline. It has got yellow, mehendi green, pink and blush pink embroidery. Even the sleeves are also embroidered. So all these collection has got 3/4 sleeves. You can again change it to short sleeves if you wish to. Even this has got the cotton lining. The whole kurta has been having the tiny booties that has been embellished with the bead work, nice bead work, I could say. It has got cotton lining, and it has got enough margin in it. It can be sized up to 42. Okay, it's having a pink piping all over. This is being paired up with a very good, beautiful yellow dupatta, floral linen dupatta. This dupattas also have tassels at the end. Okay, nice tassels at the end. This is priced at 3,800 again. There's one more color in this, a maroon. A dark maroon, and you know this beige combination is always a super hit. So this is having boat neck and with embroidery, nice floral embroidery that has been embellished with kardana, sequins and bead work. Even the sleeves have the floral booties on it, floral motifs, and it has got the kardana rounding at the edge. I repeat, you could change the sleeve length also if you wish to. This is being paired up with the floral dupatta, beach floral linen dupatta, pure floral. All this linen dupattas has got the silver zari on it. All the linen dupattas have got the silver zari on it. So you can see this is a nice combination, price at 3,800. So this is the product number 3. This olive green is the product number 2. Okay, this is the product number 3. There's one more in this. which is which is a red and pista green combination, a nice pista green combination. Even this has got a different embroidery over the neckline, nice creeper style flower work, floral work I could say, and it has been embellished with the silver kardana and sequence work. Even the sleeves have got the work around the sleeve rounding, and it has got tiny booties. The fabric in this particular outfit is organic cotton. It's organic cotton, even it has the lining. So all these 4 colors have the lining. This is being paired up with a pista green floral dupatta, a nice pista green floral dupatta, and it's also having a silver border over it. This is having nice tassels to the end, yellow and red tassels, a bright yellow and red. It's a beautiful combination. This is priced at 3,800. It's a product number 4. These are the video 1, product number 4. All these 4 outfits are being priced at 3,800. So grab this outfit before it's gone. If for any queries, just drop us a WhatsApp us on 8978359546, or you can directly call me on the same number. For any custom orders, you can directly ping me. For any queries, you can directly ping me on this number. Okay, it's 8978359546. Thank you. I hope you like our first video. This is our first video. So, thank you so much. Have a good day.